From the very beginning, I think you've had a good understanding of what we was doing. So there was a lot of communication through meetings or emails and phone calls, but I think you grasped what we needed from the very beginning, which made it an easier process for us to develop. As humans, we don't like change, so knowing we was changing the system was a big thing for staff. But again, Axon Garside was really good to communicate and show everyone exactly how it can look. So it's been working really well so far.
To implement the system for Bright Direction training, we held a number of meetings to look at the customer journeys, to look at the processes, to get under the skin of what Bright Direction actually do, what they need the system to do, what the system's replacing, as well as potentially looking for little avenues that maybe they hadn't considered and proposing them to them to look at increasing the value to their business. Throughout the process, there was regular communication. Sometimes this would be weekly meetings, sometimes it would be ad hoc calls, all while building the prototype for each various stage. It would be a case of presenting the prototype to whoever needed to see it, getting their feedback and making any relevant changes based on that feedback until we got to an agreeable stage where the system itself would be fit for purpose. There were a number of challenges throughout the implementation process. Some came from the employees' resistance to change. Some of it came from HubSpot's own limitations, as HubSpot is a growing tech stack. There are some limitations to the software, and certainly this implementation pushed those boundaries.